This is ICR's scenario. I like it. I think it's a good idea. They're using the word mega sequence here, which means mega, many sequences put together in one layer, okay? Mega Zuni, Mega Absorca, Mega Tajas, Mega Cascasia, and so on and so forth. All right? And you see that they actually take in consideration several of the geologic layers of the geologic column. This is evolutionary, this is creation. The evolutionary model uses index fossils to determine which layers are what. How do you know that a layer is Cretaceous in one place, or it's actually, or if it's Cambrian in one place, or if it's Silurian? How do you know that? When you go from continent to continent, from state to state, you can't follow those layers from state to state, continent to continent. Back in the old days, you couldn't. What they did is they looked for the fossils. If a fossil was in, if a trilobite was here and they found it somewhere else, Cambrian rock has to be. Only fossils, only trilobites are in Cambrian rock. Duh, it may not have been that way. We find trilobites actually in Ordovician and Silurian. How about that?
Right, if you'll go to, when you come in, the whole layer of all the geologic column, Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, and the Cretaceous is up there where all these rocks are, is listed there. On the right side is what day 1, day 2, day 3.
Billy and I took our degree programs when they still practiced this part over here. So when we talk about stuff, we always still use Cretaceous and Cambrian.
Well, we have to. We can't make up our own.
So, but I like this mega sequence thing because here the sequences aren't by biological determination; they're by observation of geologic conditions, which is better, right? If the geologic condition exists here in a certain place, the same condition exists over here, then the same causing effect here was the same causing effect over here, you see. So we're looking at conditions rather than fossils. That's a little bit more conclusive, I would say, wouldn't you, if we're looking for a condition rather than a fossil. So here we have a erosional event up here. Here we have a transgression regression event here. Erosion, transgression regression, erosion, transgression regression. So they look for these different facies, we call facies, erosional facies, things like this. That's just a geologic term, which just means a face here and a face there, you know, a condition that you look at. And that's how they determine those mega sequences, which I think is a good idea.